Ever wonder why some people stay in ketosis effortlessly while others fall out after one snack? It's not magic, it's what they're eating. Here are the 4 keto foods that keep your body burning fat 24/7. Be sure to click the subscribe button to get more videos like this. First, coconut oil and MCT oil. They're like rocket fuel for your brain and metabolism. MCTs go straight to your liver and convert to ketones within minutes. Just 1 tablespoon in your coffee or shake can help you stay in fat-burning mode, even if your carbs creep a little higher that day. Second, avocados, nature's keto butter. They're full of potassium, fiber, and heart-healthy fats that keep your blood sugar steady and cravings quiet. Try half an avocado with a pinch of pink salt and lemon juice when you feel that snack urge coming on. It's the simplest way to keep your ketones steady. Third, eggs. They're a keto superfood for a reason. The perfect balance of fat and protein keeps you full for hours, and the amino acids help your body build lean muscle while you burn fat. My go-to? Boiled eggs and a few cucumber slices. Zero prep drama, maximum energy. Fourth, salmon. Fatty fish are rich in omega-3s that support ketosis and reduce inflammation. If you've been feeling keto flu symptoms or brain fog, your body might be craving more healthy fats like these. Think of it as food that heals while it fuels. The key to staying in ketosis isn't perfection, it's consistency with the right foods. These 4 make it easy. Try adding one to every meal this week and watch your energy skyrocket. Take a second to subscribe, it's free and it keeps these videos coming.